Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to send files from Android to Windows 10 using Bluetooth. Here's a quick overview. Number 1. Check device name. Number 2. Receive a file. Number 3. Send file using Android. Let us get started. Step 1. Check your device name. Before anything else, we need to figure out what is your laptop's official government-issued name is. No, it is not Baby, Bogey, or My Precious. Head over to your Windows 10 search bar. Type Specs and click System Information. Under System Name, you will see something that looks like a password you'd never remember. Laptop-ROCS3G11. That jumble of letters and numbers is your device name. Congratulations! You now know how your computer introduces itself at tech parties. Step number 2. Preparing to receive a file. Look at your taskbar. Down at the bottom right where all the little hidden icons live. Click the tiny upward arrow. It is basically a secret VIP door. Inside, you'll see the Bluetooth logo. You know, that funky bee with horns. Click it, then choose Receive a File. At this point, your laptop is basically saying, "Alright, I am ready. Send me the goods." Step number 3. Sending a file from your Android phone. Now it is your phone's turn to shine. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Otherwise, you are just waving at your laptop with no signal. Choose any file, a photo, music, or maybe that one meme you saved at 3 a.m. We won't judge. For this demo, let's say we are sending a photo. Tap the photo, hit share, and then choose Bluetooth. Here's the cool part. Like a long-lost couple spotting each other across the airport, your phone and laptop will instantly recognize each other. The file transfer begins. Once it is done, check your laptop. Boom, the file is there, chilling your Windows 10 like it was born to be. And that's it. Sending files from Android to Windows 10 via Bluetooth isn't rocket science. It just takes a few simple steps, from enabling Bluetooth on both devices, pairing them together, and selecting your files, to initiating the transfer, accepting on Windows, and choosing your save location. Every step gets your files moved wirelessly. And hey, don't forget to stay within the range. Check for large file alternatives and keep your connections optimized. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your file transfer seamless and efficient. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.